Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to track inventory by location in QuickBooks. Tracking inventory by location is useful if you store product in multiple warehouses, stores, or storage sites. QuickBooks lets you monitor stock levels per location so that you can restock efficiently and prevent shortages. Let's get into it. So the first step is going to be to enable location tracking. So go to Settings, Account and Settings, and then click the Advanced tab. And in Categories, you're going to turn on Track Locations. And once you're done, save changes. Next is to set up location. So go to Settings, All List, Locations, and then click New, name the location, and save it. Now you're going to repeat for all storage sites across different locations. Once you're done, the next step is to assign location to inventory items. You can do that by going to Sales, Product and Services, and there edit the item, select its location, and then save. Now track in transactions. Now when creating sales or purchase transactions, you can just select the correct location from the drop-down. A pro tip is to use location reports to see exactly where sales are strongest, and also you can always update transfers promptly to avoid stock count errors. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.